my Mamer Rannaghar. Today our recipe is chicken kabab. We are doing this recipe without the help of grill and microwave oven. Let's see the ingredients. We take 700 gram of boneless chicken and take ginger garlic paste and 100 gram of yogurt. Then some amount of garam masala and Kashmiri red chili powder, along with some amount of sugar and salt, and we need oil, chaat masala and lemon juice. We take a bowl and we put the 700 gram of chicken in the bowl. And added 100 gram of yogurt. And followed by 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. After that, add 3 tablespoons of garam masala. And added 3 tablespoons of Kashmiri red chili powder. Along with half tablespoon of sugar and 2 tablespoons of salt. And added some amount of mustard oil. And 2 tablespoons of chaat masala. Then we add 5 tablespoons of lemon juice. Then we have to mix it properly. Let's keep it up 1 hour for marination. After 1 hour, open the lid. Put it in the frying pan. Ready to serve. If you are new to my channel, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel.